Today we will learn Chinese characters.
短
First, please watch my mouth shape for pronunciation.
短的乌俺短短短发短发剪了短发姐姐剪了短发长短长短这里的绳子各有长短，这里的绳子各有长短。短期短期，这是我的短期计划。这是我的短期计划。
Let's look at the standard way to write this character. This character has quite a few strokes, but it is not difficult to write. Pay attention to the proportion of the left and right parts. The original meaning of the character we are learning today is small in length, short in distance, or little in time, and it is the opposite of long. In Chinese culture, it is not just a concept of measurement, but also contains the life wisdom of self-awareness, moderation, modesty, cherishing time, and keeping a low profile. Remember to make this stroke longer. Watch it a few more times and you will learn. That's it for this lesson.